The directions for use are massaging 1 to 2 drops with the fractionated coconut oil, which I have right here from doTERRA. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Birch Essential Oil. Native to Canada and the United States, birch trees can grow up to 75 feet in height. Its peeling bark provides powerful benefits, making birch essential oil highly valued and sought after. Birch is ideal for massage, providing a soothing, cooling effect. Diffusing and inhaling birch is stimulating and uplifting as well. Birch can be applied topically and is beneficial in purifying the skin and maintaining a clear, healthy-looking complexion. Due to its seasonality and limited supply, birch essential oil is offered by doTERRA only one time per year at conventions, making it even more desirable among the CPTG or Certified Pure Therapeutic Grade essential oils. The main two uses for birch essential oil is that it can be used aromatically, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main benefits of birch are that it relieves tight muscles and joints, reduces the appearance of blemishes, and supports connective tissue. The directions for use are massaging 1 to 2 drops with the fractionated coconut oil, which I have right here from doTERRA, and this is a very great carrier oil to use, which helps spread out the concentration, reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil, and then also help the essential oil to absorb better into the skin. And this can be applied to the bottoms of the feet and legs for a warming sensation after exercising. You can also diffuse 3 to 5 drops with citrus bliss for a nice root beer aroma. Lastly, you can apply 1 to 2 drops with a toner or moisturizer to help beautify the skin. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.